Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. You're welcome back to my channel. This is Aero Naturals. Yes, okay, so today I want to show you a quick tutorial or a DIY on how to brighten your skin. Yes, we know everybody is observing the social distancing, stay at home instructions that we've been given, and this is the time you really have right now to take care of your skin. Yes, so now that you're home, you're enjoying your time at home, you're not going to work, you're not getting under the sun, you're not doing anything stressful, this is the best time for you to glow your skin, brighten your skin, lighten your skin, whiten your skin, whatever you want to do. This is the best time. Yes, so today, like I said, I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to give your skin an instant glow and also to brighten your skin. Yes, it's a turmeric scrub. Yeah, and it's really good for your skin. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not going to go into details of explaining what turmeric does, what this one does, and what that one does. Yes, I'm going to put all the ingredients in my description box, so you can go there and get your see the list of ingredients, and also get on Google and find out the importance and this benefits this ingredients we're going to be using today has on your skin. So if you're already here, why not just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the red subscribe button just beside my channel profile. Okay, it's free. I won't charge you, YouTube won't charge you for it. Just go ahead and hit it and become a subscriber. Yes, and also there is a little bell icon there. Go ahead and turn it on so that you'll be the first to know whenever I put up a new video. Okay, thanks for going on with me on this journey. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Thanks for sticking with me. Yeah, so we don't want this video to be too long. Let's get right into it. I'm going to show you the ingredients I want to use for today's tutorial. First thing I'll be needing is my sugar. Okay, this is what I use at home, so that's why I have it here. Sugar, you can use any kind of sugar you want. You can use brown sugar, but right now I want to use my white sugar. Okay, honey, turmeric powder, tea tree oil, avocado oil, and my saffron herbs. These, I like herbs in my products, especially my scrubs. Yeah, saffron especially gives me that glow that I like, so I like to mix it up in my herbs. You can go ahead and use whatever herbs you like, or you can just do away with this. It's really not important, but for me, I like to use this. And the reason I'm using avocado oil is because it's moisturizing. Yes, it's going to act as a moisturizer. It's going to hydrate the skin so that when you're done with your scrub, your skin doesn't dry out. Okay, and this one supports skin elasticity. All right, so if you have saggy skin and all that, it's going to help to bring back the elasticity of the skin. All right, reason I'm using tea tree oil is because this is good for, this one helps with drying out pimples. So if you have acne or pimples on your face, this is going to work. That's why, because this tutorial I'm doing is for face. You can use it on your body, but if you have to use it on your body, please do away with this. Yes, except you have breakouts on your body, then you can put this in your mix. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the mixture for this tutorial. Okay, so sorry, I also forgot to mention you need your measuring spoons, your brush to apply your mix on your face, and then your mixing bowl. So like I said, I'm not making this scrub for full body treatment, so I'm going to be using my tablespoon to measure my sugar. I'm going to work with 1 tablespoon. Make sure the equipment you're using are all clean, properly washed, and sterilized. Okay, I'm going to be working with 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of my turmeric, half tablespoon of my avocado oil, half tablespoon of honey, I'm sorry, I don't have my dropper here, so I'm going to use the smallest measurement for my tea tree. That's 0.62 ml. And then you can just add a sprinkle of your herb in your mix. And then go ahead and mix it all up. So after mixing, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it should not be too hard so it can spread very well on your face. Yes, so you see, this is the consistency I got, and that works very fine for me. If you like yours harder, then you can go ahead and add some more sugar to this, but I don't want mine to be hard, so it can spread very well on my face and do what it's supposed to do. Yeah, so let's go ahead and mix this, put this on our face. Just go ahead and spread your mix on your face. Be careful when applying this because turmeric stains. You don't want to leave a mess. And make sure to wear dark colored clothing. If you are not in your bathroom doing this, make sure to wear dark colored clothing just like I am doing right now, so the turmeric doesn't stain your clothes. Okay, that's done. So like we know it's a scrub, so you have to scrub your face, right? Okay, now make sure your hands are clean before putting them on your face, especially now in this season. Okay, so go ahead and scrub in circular motions. can do this to your neck as well. After scrubbing, leave on your face for 10 minutes and then wash off. I'm going to come back and show you the after result because I have to leave this on my face for 10 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and I've washed my face off. Like I said, turmeric stains. So after rinsing your face with water, go ahead and use your soap to wash your face so that it's properly clean. Now my face feels so smooth and soft, and you can see the brightness. Yeah, I'm just going to wipe off you can see the difference here from when I started. See, my face is clean, no turmeric stains on my towel. So I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my face with my facial serum. Yeah, you can see I have herbs in here too. I love herbs, they do wonders on your skin. Yeah, I'm just going to apply my facial serum so my face is properly moisturized. Whew. So nice. Yeah, I feel so good. Feel so refreshed. Oh yeah, so I hope you guys are keeping safe. I hope you guys are observing social distancing. I hope you're staying in your houses, like you're not going out. Yeah, because right now we don't know who has the virus already. So please stay at home, obey instructions. Yeah, so that's it. Please stay at home, obey instructions, wash your hands, sanitize. Yes, let's all fight this together. I know we're going to come out of it victorious. Yeah, so one more thing, very very important: do not live in fear. Okay, I know everybody is panicking. When is this going to end and all that? You want to get back to your businesses, you want to get back to your daily lives, but please, for now, let's observe social distancing and keep to the rules that we have been given, keep to the instructions that we have been given. All right, so go ahead and try this mix. Let me know how it works out for you. Leave your comments in the comment section. Yes, I'll be waiting to hear from you. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe if you've not already done so throughout this video. Yeah, and please give me your thumbs up and share. Thank you so much for staying tuned with me. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking. I love you all so much. Big hugs and kisses from here. See you next time.